Hello, episode 4 is here. Yeah, I'm going with episodes because my days are all messed up, and it is what it is. Today, in this episode, I am making some basketball t-shirts. I usually don't do a lot of shirt orders anymore. It's really cool to see other people enjoying them, so I do still enjoy doing that, and I get to do design skills. Anyways, I also wrapped my nephew's presents. It is how many days until Christmas? Calculator. 25 minus 9. 16 days. I wrapped presents 16 days early. That never happens. It's usually 16 hours before Christmas. So if you are like me, here's your reminder. Wrap your presents this weekend. Do it. Start now. Go along. Do it through the weekend. I also sent out Christmas cards. I think I do it like once every decade. So you could just capture and see that as well. And I'll see you guys in the video.
Oh. He's okay.
Dear Santa, tell him I'm still hanging on. No need for diamonds or trips somewhere in the world. I know that mistakes don't melt like the snow. But if there's magic, let the north winds tell him so. 'Cause I can only wait and pray that hope will call me. Realize he's awful lonely. The only
right, thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, do all the things, share. In the next one, I do have finally, my December postcard subscription delivered. So we'll be packaging, sending those out, and I have a sneak peek for my new book. And we'll see what else I make. There's a dog barking in the backyard. Not my dog, someone else's dog. So I hope you don't hear that. Today's the 9th. 7 days till Christmas. 17 days, 16 days. Oh, hold on.